child is slowly taken, and the violence caused such silence. Who are we mistaken? But you see, it's not me, it's not my family. In your head, they are fighting with their thing. tanks and their bombs and their bombs and their guns. In your head, they are crying. In your head, zombie, zombie, zombie. In your head, zombie, zombie, zombie. Another mother's breaking, art is taking over. When the violence causes silence, we must be mistaken. It's the same old theme since 1916. In your head, they're still fighting with their tanks and their bombs and their bombs and their guns. In your head, they are dying. In your head, zombie, zombie, zombie. What's in your head? In your head, zombie, zombie, zombie. What's in your head? In your head, zombie, zombie, zombie. What's in your head? In your head, zombie, zombie, zombie. There's no combination of words I could put on the back of a postcard. No song that I could sing, but I can try for your heart. Our dreams, and they're made of real things, like shoebox of photographs with sepia tone loving. Love is the answer, at least for most of the questions in my heart. Like why are we here, and where do we go, and how come it's so hard? It's not always easy, and sometimes life can be deceiving. I'll tell you one thing's always better when we're together. It's always better when we're together. Yeah, look at the stars and we're together. Well, it's always better when we're together. Yeah, it's always better when we're together. And all of these moments just might find a way into my dreams tonight. But I know that they'll be gone when the morning light sings and brings new things. But tomorrow night, you see, they'll be gone too. Too many things I have to do. But if all these dreams might find their way to my day-to-day scene, I'll be under the impression I was somewhere in between with only two.